congratulations on a successful convention and to the newly elected lodges. I'm looking forward to the upcoming year. I would like to introduce the new Maids of Athena Grand Lodge, Grand Vice President Angela Armstrong. Constantine Niamitsis, Grand Secretary. Diane Simeon, Grand Treasurer. And last but not least, DM Zakaris, Grand Governor. I'm truly honored that the Maids has selected me as their new Grand President. I'm looking forward to the upcoming year, and I know it will be a success with your continued support and the vibrant, hardworking, newly elected Grand Lodge. Thank you again, and congratulations on the successful convention.
This time, I would like to call up